Imagine a world where travel took weeks, factories relied on steam, and global trade was slow. That was the early 19th century. Trains, ships, and factories all depended on bulky steam engines that needed huge boilers, constant water supply, and long heating times. Steam-powered locomotives chugged along, but they were slow and inefficient. Farmers struggled to transport crops quickly, and industries had to set up near water sources for power. As cities grew and industries expanded, the world needed something better, faster, and more powerful. Enter Etienne Lenoir in 1859. This Belgian engineer created a new kind of engine, one that didn't need external boilers. Instead, it burned fuel inside a cylinder, creating pressure that moved a piston. This was the birth of the internal combustion engine, or IC engine, smaller, lighter, and more efficient than steam power. But that was just the beginning. A few years later, Nicolas Otto improved Lenoir's design with the four-stroke engine in 1876, the same basic design that powers most cars today. Then came Rudolf Diesel in 1897, who introduced the diesel engine, bringing even more power and efficiency to industries and transportation. Fast forward to 1908, and Henry Ford introduced the Model T, the first affordable car. Mass production made cars accessible to everyone. Roads expanded, cities grew, and people could now work, travel, and live farther than ever before. And it didn't stop there. With IC engines becoming more powerful, inventors like the Wright brothers used them to power the first successful airplane in 1903. Air travel transformed global trade and made the world smaller. IC engines also revolutionized industries. They powered tractors, trucks, and factory machines, boosting food production and manufacturing like never before. With millions of cars, ships, and planes now running on gasoline and diesel, oil became the world's most valuable resource. Countries with oil reserves became global powers, leading to new economic and political shifts. But what about the future? With climate change concerns and electric vehicles, EVs, on the rise, some wonder if the IC engine is nearing its end. EVs and alternative fuels are growing fast, but the IC engine still dominates heavy transport, aviation, and industries. It may evolve, but it won't disappear anytime soon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into the revolution of the internal combustion engine, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing history videos.